There's two main functions of Google Forms that we use often for Boomerang. Uh, One is the survey or questionnaire function, and the other is the quiz function. So it's really simple to use. We've been trying to get both the volunteers and the staff at the center to try to use it more often because it eliminates the need to use paper and actually doing it this way also means that the teachers don't actually have to mark the tests and that kind of stuff, and it saves time, paper, money, effort, so it's really helpful. Let me just walk you through how we'd start a form from fresh. First thing is we go to, Google Forms. You can just Google it and it'll take you to this page. So start a new form, a blank form. Okay, so the book that I've recently created a form for was Forbidden Prophecies. So let's just copy it from here. What I like to do is I like to create a text, what do you call it? A note on my phone, and I usually jot down the questions in here, and then I copy it to Google Forms. But it's up to you. If you like, you can directly put the questions into here. So, okay, that's the title. Now let's just put the first question in. So we just copy the question, paste it, and we paste our options as well. So 1, 2, and let's just do one more. Okay. Yes, so if you look here, we have a drop-down list with different type of questions that you can use. So we like to use multiple choice. You can also use checkboxes. This would allow you to have more than one correct answer. I believe multiple choice as well, but whatever it is. So once you create your question, so something important that we need to do when creating a question, a quiz, as opposed to a survey, is that we need to go to settings, go to quizzes, and make this a quiz. Okay, otherwise it doesn't give you the option to select the correct answer. Alright, and let's save that. Now you can see what's added here is an answer key. So let's choose our correct answer. The incorrect option would be this one, and then we can allocate a point to it. Alright, and to add another question, we just press this box here, and then we'd add our next question, and so on. Okay, so I'm just going to skip to one of the forms that I've created already. So let me go to the forms home. So you can see all the forms that you created would be on this page, your home page. Like this is an information form or like surveys that I've done before. Let's look at Forbidden Prophecies. Okay, it automatically requests the email address of the person who's filling it in, and that's because in settings we've put collect email addresses on. Alright, and now you can see all the questions that I've already created. Alright, now let's, if you look on this top right corner, you have something called preview. So when you choose preview, it shows you what the test would look like to a person taking it. So let's just put here my email address, and then let's randomly select a few. Okay, I'm not going to fill it all in. And once you get to the bottom, the person will submit, and they can thereafter see their score. So for example here, total points are 7 out of 20, and it shows you which ones you got right and wrong. Okay, and let's see what how this is viewed by the questionnaire or the person who's created the test. So when they come to responses, there's 3 options in responses: summary, question, and individual. Summary gives you an idea of how everybody did in general. So here we've seen the average and whatever. This page isn't too important. When you go to questions, this gives you a view by question by question. So you can see if there's any question that people were struggling with in general. But yeah, this is one of the more important ones, the individual, where you can so you can see by their email address their entire exam paper and the answers they put right. What I like to do is print it out as a spreadsheet. This way it especially with a survey, it's nice because you can compare the different feedback and responses given by each person. But also as a quiz, you can yeah, view everyone's scores and everyone's answers on one page. And finally, you can release score. This can go to the respondents directly, or you can print it out and yeah, so for like this, if the staff at the center want to see the results, or if you want it all collected in one place, you can print it out. The next thing you need to know how to do is add collaborators. So whenever you create one, it will be nice if you could just add my email address in here, so eblimali@gmail.com, not the Kindle one, and that way I'll also be able to see the results and make some changes if they need to be done. And that's basically it.